Hello everybody, I'm Chandni and I've been working in films and fashion as a costume designer stylist since more than a decade now. I hope you guys are doing well in this time of lockdown. I'm not here to make a light of the situation or something, but I'm here to help you guys with style hacks and still how to be mentally sane in this time. So fashion might not be in the essential list of commodities, but clothes are. And trust me, your clothes really determine how you feel about your day. So even if we are at home right now, we should make sure that we are not wearing the same set of clothes the whole day, because that's really depressing. And I don't want to sound like a little superficial about it or something, but clothes do really make a difference in your day. So like, if you are working out, then you should be in your work clothes, working out gym wear. If you are working from home, then you should wear something maybe a little stylish and comfortable and be in your workplace then. And then when you are planning to sleep, then you can be in your nightwear pajamas. Yeah, only at that time. Please don't be in your pajamas the whole day. It really doesn't help. It makes you really lazy and lethargic the whole day. So if you have to make your day productive, that really doesn't work out. Like, I have few t-shirts that I wear on a daily basis, but like, one day I wasn't feeling too good or up and I had too much of work to do that day. So I just like woke up. I'm just saying, like, making small changes, like maybe just wearing a kajal can just lift your mood up and just change your day into a little better day. So all these things are really important even in the time of lockdown when we cannot step out. So whatever we have to do, we have to do at home. So by making these type of videos, I'm going to help you guys with the normal hacks, fashion wise, style wise, what all you can do at home. And also I'll be conducting some interesting interviews and activities with my friends, and see what these people are doing and how they can help us with knowing what they are doing. And also I'll be doing something interesting in which I'll be conducting some one-to-one activities and one-to-one video chats, in which I will also be restructuring your garments, the clothes that you already have. We can change them into more comfortable or something like that, so that you can also have a little change in this time, and we can do something amazing with the things that you already have and make it more sustainable. Sustainability is something that I've been meaning to do since really long time, and I think it's the a really apt time right now to make it work or do something about it. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope if you have something amazing to share with me, you do share with me. And yeah, please take care of yourself, and thank you. Have a nice day.